Drop the issue. Understanding everyday English phrases. Hello everyone, welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a common English phrase, drop the issue. This phrase is often used in daily conversations, and understanding it can really help in grasping the nuances of English communication. Drop the issue is an idiomatic expression. To drop something usually means to let it fall from your hands. However, in this context, it means to stop talking about or thinking about a particular subject or problem. It's often used when a discussion is becoming too heated or if it's leading nowhere. For example, if two people are arguing and it's clear they won't agree, one might say, "Let's drop the issue and move on." This phrase is often used in informal settings. You might hear it in personal conversations, when a topic is causing discomfort or disagreement, meetings or group discussions, to suggest moving past an unproductive topic, online discussions or debates, to signal the end of a conversation thread. It's important to use the phrase diplomatically. Saying, "Let's drop the issue," can sound dismissive if not used carefully. Sometimes, it's better to say, "Can we move on from this topic? Or, perhaps we can discuss this later." 1. After arguing for an hour, John finally said, "Let's just drop the issue. We're not going to agree." 2. "I think we should drop the issue and focus on more important matters," suggested the manager during the meeting. 3. "This discussion is going nowhere. It's best to drop the issue," commented Sarah in the online forum. There are several variations of the phrase that carry a similar meaning. Let it go, more informal and can also mean to stop being angry or upset about something. Move on implies progression to another topic or activity. Put it to bed, a more colloquial way of suggesting that a matter should be considered finished or resolved. Understanding phrases like "drop the issue" can greatly enhance your conversational skills in English. It's not just about the words, but the context and the way they are used. We hope this video has been helpful in your journey to master English. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to drop us a comment if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover next. Happy learning!